and welcome. Today we are going to be showing how to create a USB bootable drive that installs Windows 10. We are going to go open any web browser, type in Microsoft Windows 10 download, and we're going to click on this Windows 10 download link. This will take us to Microsoft's website, and this is where we download our Windows 10. If we click under the Windows 10 October 2020 update, we can just do a strictly update. But if we click here where it says download tool now, that will download the tool that will enable us to create an ISO image or a bootable USB flash drive. I downloaded the second part, the download tool. I'm double clicking on it. Now the application is starting to load up. It's just getting some of the installation files right here to start up this process. Okay, we get the terms of service. You just pretty much scroll down, take a little quick read on it, and just click on accept. Okay, here are the two options. We can just strictly upgrade the PC to the latest service pack, combo update, whatever you want to call it. Or we can select on the second option, which we can create an installation media using a flash drive, DVD, or create an ISO image to later burn it on a CD or DVD. We select the second option, click next. We can check everything, but I like to manually double check everything here. But normally you can just check the box and just click next. Either one is fine. Under here, we can just check to see if our installation under the architecture is set to 32 or 64-bit, Windows 10, English language, or change it to a different language. We hit next. In this case, I'm just going to create a USB flash drive. I already have my flash drive installed and plugged in. I click next. Once the progress is done, there you have it. Your USB flash drive is ready for use. You click finish, unplug your flash drive, go to any PC. Just make sure you check on the BIOS loading screen as F11 or F12. Select this flash drive and you can install Windows 10 on your machine without needing a physical CD disk to install. And that's it. That concludes our video.